You need to park between two cars that are parked parallel to the edge of the road. This is called parallel parking. In order to drive into such a spot easily, its length must be at least 1.5 times your car's body length. Let's consider parallel parking on the right side of the road. Step 1. Most cars have a small window on the back door, and it usually has a triangular shape. So, the car is in its starting position. The driver looks over his shoulder through the triangular window of the back door and drives backwards in a straight line. When the back end of the car on his right appears in that window, the driver turns the wheel to the right. Our car starts to back into the space. Step 2. The driver looks into the left side mirror. When the whole front part of the car parked behind appears in it, the driver puts the steering wheel into the straightforward position. The car moves in a straight line. Step 3. The driver looks at the right side mirror. When it covers the taillight of the car in front, the driver turns the steering wheel to the left. Now, the car is inside the parking space, and the driver only needs to put it parallel to the curb. For this purpose, it is convenient to use the side mirror. As soon as the car is parallel to the curb, put the steering wheel in the straightforward position. If necessary, you can now move forward or backward, putting your car in the middle of the parking space.